welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviar Kez. If you are new to my channel, we do hair reviews, lifestyle stuff, and whatever else in between. Today's hair sponsor is Mscoco Hair. They sent me this 24-inch water wave wig. This is in a 13x4, 200% density HD lace frontal wig, you guys. And guess what? I didn't have to pluck this wig. This is how this wig came, and she is beautiful. I did bleach my knots prior to this install, and the knots lifted so well that I actually had to go in with some hair dye and fix those spots up. But I actually missed a little spot here, as you guys saw in the installation portion. I just fixed it with some mascara, but I will go back in and put some more hair dye just to cover that lighter spot, because it kind of tends to look bald if you're looking away. But nonetheless, you guys, I'm obsessed with this install. We did mostly the wet look. It is drying as we speak. We did the little deep side part, and it is looking so nice, you guys. That HD lace nice, melted into my skin. Definitely along the front of the hairline along here, I didn't really have to do much. I only noticed where, you know, the lace was showing were just a few spots along the sides where I might have put too much glue or too much hairspray. But you guys, I am loving this wig. It's not as full as you might think, you know, for 200%, but that's because it's wet. So I'm definitely gonna come back when the hair is fully dried and just show you guys, like, you know, 2 seconds of what it looks like dry. But I think this style is really flattering wet, so I'm not mad at it at all. Really want it to stay pretty much the way that it is, but still be bigger. And the way that I like to do that is just let it air dry. But as it's air drying, I just like to pull on the little, I guess, nape area and crown area just slightly to puff it up and to disturb the curl ever so slightly, but was still maintaining the beautiful curls along the bottom of the wig. It is a true 24-inch, and it is definitely styled length 24, guys, and not stretch length, because nobody likes stretch length in a curly wig at all, period. Actually, I don't think anyone likes it at all, period, point blank, period, again, period. So yeah, let's get rid of stretch length. Let's just do styled length all day, every day, because this is gorgeous. I'm loving the curls on this wig, so pretty. It is a little bit shorter on the frontal, as you guys can see. There is a slight layering effect as it's drying, it's more noticeable. What I'm gonna do is dry it and then come back and close off the rest of this video. But so far, you guys, I'm really loving this wig. It was a really easy install and it just looks so pretty. It feels really comfortable on my head and it's really good quality hair. So far I'm really impressed. Okay, you guys, definitely loving this wig. So I did blow dry the wig really quickly. It is still, I would say it's still about 30% damp, and I would agree that it is 200% density. It is the perfect amount of hair for a curly wig. It's not too much, not too little, and the hair is just so soft, you guys. I did use conditioning lotion to style it, but I mean, even without the conditioning lotion, it was really feeling super soft. Blown away with this wig. Look how cute it is. Like, oh my god, who are you? I'm gonna say here right now, this wig is definitely Kaviar Kez approved. It is perfect. The curls, the lace, the texture, the density, everything is just great. You guys need to check them out. Mscoco hair. I'm gonna leave all the information to this company in the description box for you guys. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you made it this far into the video, thank you. I appreciate it. We're gonna do some giveaways in December. Obviously, it's the season of giving, so stick around for that. Be subscribed, have your notifications turned on, because I might be doing some little Easter eggs, like mystery giveaways. You might have to be paying attention to be catching on to which videos are giveaways, because I might not even advertise it, guys. So with that being said, if you guys want to subscribe to my channel simply because you enjoy watching my videos and maybe because you like free gifts like me, who doesn't, definitely do that and turn your notifications on. If you have any questions for me, leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. I gotta run, guys. I'll catch you in a video real soon. Bye for now.